Unraveling the fun of language. Understanding Jokester. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting and playful part of the English language. We're going to explore the meaning and use of the word jokester. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about the nuances of words, this video is for you. Get ready to add a fun and lively term to your English vocabulary. Let's start with the basics. The word jokester refers to someone who enjoys telling jokes or doing humorous things. It's important to note that being a jokester implies a positive and playful attitude. A jokester often brings laughter and joy to others and is usually seen in a friendly, light-hearted way. While the term jokester generally has a positive meaning, it's also important to understand its nuances. A jokester is different from a prankster or a trickster. These terms can sometimes have negative connotations, suggesting deceit or mischief. In contrast, a jokester is all about good-natured fun and laughter. To better grasp how to use jokester in everyday conversation, let's look at some examples. 1. My uncle is such a jokester. He always has a funny story to tell. 2. At the party, the jokester of the group kept everyone laughing with his witty jokes. Notice how jokester is used to describe someone in a positive and affectionate way, emphasizing their ability to amuse others. In different cultures, the role of a jokester can vary. In some societies, being a jokester is highly valued as a way to create a positive atmosphere. In others, there might be specific times and places where being a jokester is more acceptable. Understanding the cultural context is key to using this word appropriately. We hope this exploration of the word jokester has been enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, language is not just about words but the feelings and stories they convey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to add a bit of humor to your language learning journey. Until next time, keep smiling and learning.